Now we have already file. Open our file. So we have Arduino, and we have two couplers. We have also power supply for Arduino Nano 5 volt. So see here 5 volt. We have two output, D13 connected to autocoupler to group of diodes, and D12 with resistance pull down. Go to autocoupler for control group of green diode. So we can see here this global electronic schematic of one microcontroller. So now we think how can programming this Arduino Nano. So first of all should be connect. Double click in this Arduino, go to enter macro. In this macro we automatically connect to the ATMEG328P, so go for select hexadecimal. And before this should be go to Arduino and check the two output D13, D12, and we check our program for blinking or flashing two different diodes, group of diodes, green and red. After that we are using Arduino Nano, Arduino Uno, any Arduino utilize ATMEG328P. After that, so we go to our device according we see here. After we make validation, the Arduino platform give us the hexadecimal file. So we are follow the link, okay, and we go to our hexadecimal file. So we have with bootloader and without bootloader. In our application we are select without bootloader, and we make okay, and save, okay. After we make sure now our Arduino Nano is programming with our program. So if we go for transit analyze and running from 0 to 20 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds according to application, just to see the output of pin D13 and D12. We can see here, now you can see here 5 volt, okay. One is D13, okay, F1 is D13 and VF2 is D12. So one is high, one is low. Just have some comments. You can see here the transfer from high to level. We have some like delay with nanoseconds. Just this I want to explain. So we can make now simulation, and we can see the green is working with D12 is high, and after D13 is high and D12 is low, and this is flashing and programming with Tina software.